So hello guys, welcome to my what?
My God! Surprise!
What? What? What's this one?
It's mobile.
Huh.
Yeah. You don't like this mobile?
Really? There's something already crazy. So now as you can see, and it's not already surprise for me because we go together to buy this mobile.
Well, tell him the truth.
A few moments later.
So hello guys, welcome back to our channel. As you can see, my partner is here. So he buy for me a mobile, and then as you can see, this one it's brand Oppo. And now we'll make unboxing for this one. I think how much this one?
Maybe 1400.
It's 1,000 something, I think. Yeah, it's here. I still hear the receipt. I say it's 1,200 real something. Yeah, and you see. So now we'll open this mobile. Why we buy this one? So that we can use for our blog.
خلاص.
Make it on your face. This one. Make like the RENO3. It's Oppo. So now we'll open this one.
128 GB.
2, 3. But wait,
open.
we will take a picture first there. Click that one, the capture.
Yeah.
Again, bad. Again, babe, again.
Yeah.
So now you will open.
Yeah, of course. It's
He will open for me while he's opening the mobile. So now I will make shout out so that we will not feel bored. So shout out Arki Gaviola. Hello to Chafia Majidi. And then Shalalalitot. Hello. So now we'll make shout out for Make it like this. Why it's bad smell, baby? 1, 2. No. Ta-da! It's all What's this one inside? Oh wow, it's nice because I've already casing. See? Casing. Then what else inside, baby?
check out that one.
Open. So I have here this one. These things.
This is the mobile.
Oh, wow. Hi. So what else inside? So they have charger. They said they have headsets, huh?
Yes.
Oh wow, the charger.
Chargers.
And then it's the charger.
That's it.
So you have 3 this one.
Oppo. That's it. Oppo. I
So
think.
now what we'll do is you will open already this one. Open, baby. So now we'll open the mobile. Oh wow. Oh. See?
It's 4 camera. Yeah.
And it's how many RAM, baby? It's
8 RAM.
8
GB RAM.
GB, and then it's 80.
It's here,
It's
no,
here, baby.
here.
It's here. It's 8 GB, and then it's 108 and 128 GB.
So now we'll
8 GB
start
and-
English.
It's there. You make already
Next.
English.
Yes. Next.
It's not here, baby. So here ito. Wow. See, it's Oppo. So guys, Thank you for all the people who subscribe to my channel. And then if you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And then the notification bell. Don't forget to click also so that you are always updated with all my upcoming videos. Hello.
Here you go.